Yeah, it's got a score here. Tried uploading the fishing video, and of course it doesn't work, you know. You never capture my 99s on video. So, yeah. I did get my capes. I bought 2 of them. If they'll ever go into my bank. What the hell? Loading, please wait. La la la. Yep. Fishing Cape T. Yippee. Yep, that's just about it, guys. Probably gonna get all my other levels up besides, you know, what I said before. This and this. Probably gonna get them all to 30 at least. And then, yep. See ya. And my next 99 is definitely gonna be pledging. Try to get a PK up soon if freaking my computer doesn't lag to hell. Alright, bye.